So let's take a look at how we can do long division by hand for whole numbers. All right, so we've got a couple of problems in front of me that I'm just going to work through how we can find the exact solution of these, these problems that just are involving long numbers but with long division. So we've got this 456 divided by 19. What we want to do here is we want to rewrite this problem. Oops, I might use something other than red for this. But essentially, we want to rewrite this problem where we have this little symbol here. We're going to put our 456 like this. We're going to put our thing we're dividing by in front. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at 19 and go, can we divide this number 4, this number just in here, by 19? And the obvious answer is no, so we go to the next digit and we combine these together. And we ask ourselves, can we divide 45 by 19? All right. In this case, we can, but not perfectly. But we sort of ask our question, okay, well, how many 19s will fit in 45? And you might sit there and go, well, one 19 is 19. Two 19s are 38. We're not going to get a third 19 in there. So we can go, okay, there's going to be 2 of them. And we put our 2 in line with this 5 just here. All right. And we go, okay, so there's 2 of them. All right. And we said that 2 times 19 was 38. So we list that just here. All right. And we rule a line underneath it. And we go, okay, well, how many leftover did I have? Leftover meaning that, 45 subtract 38 will give us how many leftover? In this case, it's 7. And we list that 7 at the end just here. Okay, and this is something that's really important, and we carry down the rest of our problem. All right, so we carry down here the 6, and then we repeat, except we're now looking for how many 19s will go into 76. All right, and this is going to test your 19 times tables out. So we said 2 was 38, so add another 19 to that. That will bring you to 57. All right, so 57 goes 3 times. Another 19 to 57 will get you exactly 76. So that's 4 lots of them. So we know 19 fits into the 76 exactly 4 times, and there's 0 remainder. So what that tells us then is the original number, that 456, divides by 19 exactly 24 times. So we can therefore say that 456 divided by 19 is going to be equal to 24. Now, suddenly, a problem that I originally looked at and went, well, I don't know what the answer is. There's a process that we can follow to help us easily identify what the solution is going to be by hand. Okay? Now, let's take a look at one more problem because there's going to be some things that come up with this that we need to be aware of. So it's a little bit of a bigger problem. It's 1,599 divided by 13. So, first step, we put our divisor at the front. Is that what it's called, a divisor? I think so. And then we put our number in here. So 1,599. And we're essentially going to follow the same process. We start here and we go, okay, can 13 fit into 1? The answer is obviously no. So we combine the 1 with the next digit and go, can 13 fit into 15? The answer is yes. Well, how many times? Well, it's only once. All right, so we put the 1 here and we go, well, 1 times 13 is 13. And we list that out. All right, and from there we go, well, how many left over do we have? So what's 15 take 13? Well, 15 take 13 will give us 2, so we had 2 remainder. But what we now need to do is we need to bring down the next digit. So bring down the 9. And we go, can 13 fit into 29? The answer in this case is yes. How many times? Well, twice, because 2 times 13 is 26. So we put the twice up here. We write the 26 here. All right, and we go, okay, how many did we have remaining? Well, 29 take 26 is going to be 3. And once again, we bring down the next digit in our problem. All right, and we just keep repeating this process essentially until we've found all our digits. All right, so we've now got number of 13s into 39. Well, that's nice because 13 divides perfectly into 39 3 times. All right, so we end up with a solution of 123 when we work through this problem. So 1599 divide 13 will give us exactly 123 as a solution. And that's how we perform long division. Now, the only thing that does sometimes come up, and I realize I didn't make a problem that illustrated this well enough, is sometimes you'll get to this stage and it won't fit. Like, let's just say you had 11 as an answer here, for example. All right. And you go, how many times does 13 fit into 11? Well, it doesn't. So what you would put is a 0 here, and you'd carry the next digit down and repeat the process. So it's just something that might come up in some of your problems. Yeah, I should have probably made a problem that illustrated that. But for now, you can see the process of how we perform long division.